You'd like to simplify expression cosine theta over 1 minus sine theta minus cosine theta over 1 plus sine theta. So the first thing that you should do, you should definitely seek the LCD. Now the LCD is going to be the product of these two guys, obviously, right? So in order to achieve the LCD, you will multiply both, you will multiply the first fraction, numerator, denominator, by this denominator, right? So cosine theta over 1 minus sine theta. So this fraction will be multiplied by this denominator, 1 plus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. Okay? And then minus cosine theta over 1 plus sine theta. What is this fraction going to be multiplied by? The numerator and denominator. By this denominator, right? Because we seek the common LCD. Right? So 1 minus sine theta, right? 1 minus sine theta. Let's actually put this in parentheses. 1 minus sine theta over 1 minus sine theta. Okay? So what do we get as a result? We will get the LCD in the denominator. But we need to distribute this, right? Cosine theta plus cosine times sine. Cosine theta, sine theta, minus cosine theta plus cosine theta, sine theta, plus cosine theta, sine theta, over the LCD, which is going to be distributed, right? So that's going to be 1. Now the FOIL method, the O and I steps are cancelled out because we have negative sign and positive sign. So only the last product. 1 minus sine squared theta, right? So let's see, what do we get in the numerator? So as you can see, these guys go away. However, these two add up, right? So it's going to be 2 sine theta cosine theta. What about the denominator? The denominator will be simplified by using the famous trig identity. Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. So 1 minus sine squared theta, as you can see, if you subtract sine squared on both sides, what are you going to get? You're going to get cosine squared is equal to 1 minus sine squared, right? Right, so as you can see, this is what 1 minus sine squared theta is equal to. It's cosine squared, right? So it's cosine squared theta. And guess what happens next? The cosine cancels out on the top. One cosine is borrowed by this cancellation from the denominator, right? So the 2 is gone. So there's only one cosine remaining. So we'll have 2 sine theta divided by cosine theta, right? As a result. And there's one more step because sine of theta and cosine of theta is tan theta, tangent, right? So it's just going to be 2 tangent theta. That's your final expression. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was enjoyable, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.